mujiandae hawa watu wawe recalled, because they have acted unjustly. They have supported corruption. They have, above all else, stood for a government that abducts its own citizens. And I want to pause it here. My academic brother, Tony, I want you to argue with me when we leave this place. My argument is abduction is worse than detention. At least wakati wa detention ulikuwa na kitu inakuwa signed, unaweka mahali. Abduction, it is something terrible. It's a crime against humanity. Therefore, Cleophas Malala, I agree with you. Are we going to wait tunaimba kuwa 2027 ukutafikika jameni namna hii with people abducting Kenyans? Mama mzee Joki complaining about SHA trying actually to advise them this thing is not working. You send 20 policemen to abduct a Kenyan mother against all known humanitarian and international statutes relating to the freedom of a person. In other words, this administration, Ruto, has overthrown the constitution. So how can you live with a government and unaamini 2027 which has already overthrown the constitution? That is the problem I have, Tony. I have that problem. Let me now tell you this. Even as IEBC selection panel ameanza kazi yao, do you know that the secretariat of IEBC, led by somebody, Marjan, I don't know the name, Marjan or somebody, is getting instructions from the former Commissioner Molu, who is Ruto's advisor in State House. Now, let me get that document, ndugu yangu. They have already put a tender to procure for the next 3 years without an IBC commission in place. It's already on their website. Yeah, some of it is closing time at 1 o'clock on the 29th January 2025. They're already in a hurry, and it's like this is a test case. If we don't stop them now, we are telling IBC Secretariat, you will not move one step. We will come for you if you try to do this. You must wait for a properly constituted IEBC. That is where Azimio lost it, by the way. Remember, they procured a printing farm in Greece. By the time kina Uhuru na hao wengine walileta the extra 4, remember the Cherera 4, they were there, hawajui what is happening. Things had already happened. They had procured materials in advance of these people arriving. So this time, we cannot afford, in my view, to allow these people any space to manipulate, to steal, to mess up with 2027. That's why some of them are saying they know how to manufacture presidents in excess of 24 years. And they also know, they even say blindly, I mean boldly, that they will make sure even if wameshindwa, wataibuka hawajashindwa. If we are in this country and we all belong in it, we must really stand very, very strong. Mwisho, you cannot isolate the mountain or any part of the country. It is not possible. We want to tell William Ruto, the mountain is not isolatable. It is not. I repeat, the country is united against one person called William Ruto. That's all. It's completely, and if you look at it, in fact, you know, have you asked yourself why you are not seeing opinion polls these days? Have you asked yourself? It is simple. This administration is enjoying the lowest opinion rating since independence. I think they are ranging between 16 and 18%. Hao ndio watashinda kweli? So we want to make it very clear. From now, let us actually have vigilantes and our young people. I've myself announced June 25th